Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect guys your earphones to your Realme phone guys. You want to connect guys earphone to your phone, so guys you can connect. And guys, now let's see guys how to connect earphone in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys to connect your earphone. So we will on our phone setting, and guys we will have to come in guys our Bluetooth setting. So when we will on our Bluetooth setting, and guys we will on our earphones to connect it. So guys we will on it. So friends, you can see guys this type of settings. So friends, we will refresh our Bluetooth setting first of all. So guys you can see guys your earphone name. So I will click on guys my earphone name to connect. Then guys you can see this earphone name will be connect within 4 and 5 seconds guys. We will have to wait here. So you can see this notification guys, tap here to connect. So guys this earphone will be connect to your phone, and guys now you can use guys while watching movie, listening song, whatever you want to watch guys you can watch. And guys you can use guys your earphone with your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye friend. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.